HP, a company that makes laptops for different use cases and people, and it might feel overwhelming to know each and every one of them. I will break down and explain all the HP laptop lineup and series in these 5 categories. Now HP Essential, these are entry-level budget-friendly laptops perfect for basic productivity like web browsing and even schoolwork. They do feature plastic builds and mid-range processors like the i3 and even the i5 or the AMD Ryzen 3 or 5. And basic displays, they are best for casual home users, students and budget-conscious buyers. HP Stream is a budget-friendly ultra-portable laptop designed for basic computing tasks like web browsing, cloud-based work and even streaming. They feature an 11-inch or 14-inch display, and they do run on an Intel Celeron processor, often running Windows in S mode, that is Windows S. Now they are perfect for young kids in elementary schools and even middle school students needing a device for homework. They are also great for casual browsers and even budget shoppers. HP Chromebook is a fast, secure laptop designed for simple, reliable, everyday computing, especially web-oriented tasks. They do run on the Google Cloud-based Chrome OS, and they are best suited for students and educators, excellent for classroom use, typing papers in Google Docs and even researching online. They are also a great fit for remote workers or writers who spend most of their time web browsing and answering emails and even editing documents. HP Pavilion is a series of laptops that offer reliable mid-range laptops ideal for students, office workers and everyday users. They are available from 14-inch to 16 inches screen size. They feature configurations ranging from Intel Core i5 to i7 processors, perfect for everyday to-day activity tasks. The submodels in this series include the standard Pavilion, that is the base model. There is the Pavilion Aero, or otherwise known as HP Aero. Now another one is the Pavilion Plus, and there is Pavilion X360. You can fold them. The HP's flagship line of premium AI-powered consumer laptops and 2-in-1 laptops. The current sub-models such as the OmniBook Ultra Flip and OmniBook X are optimized for on-the-go professionals and students. They are powered by the next generation AI processors with NPU, that is the neural processing units, including the Intel Core Ultra, that is the Series 2, and Snapdragon chips. They do come with 14-inch or 16-inch 3K OLED touch display screens. The HP ZBook is a line of premium mobile workstations designed for professionals needing heavy processing and graphics power for 3D modeling, video editing, and even CAD simulations. They do run on the Intel Core Ultra and Intel Core i9 and AMD Ryzen Pro processors built for software that demand heavy processing power. They are outfitted with professional-grade NVIDIA RTX or AMD Radeon Pro GPUs. The series in this ZBook lineup include the 1. ZBook Firefly. This is the thinnest and lightest variant, optimized for mobility and lightweight CAD tasks. The second series will be the ZBook Studio, which is a sleek, high-performance multimedia laptop tailored for creative professionals and video editors. The third series in this ZBook lineup is the ZBook Power, which balances our workstation grade performance and enterprise security at a lower price point. And the fourth series in this ZBook family is the ZBook Fury. This is the ultimate desktop replacement, offering maximum expansion slots and top tier GPU configurations like the 5080. The HP ProBook is the mainstream entry-level business laptop built to handle daily-to-daily professional workloads while keeping sensitive data secure. They are known for their durability and robust security and reliable performance, and not forgetting that they are very affordable. They run on the standard processors better suited for general office workloads. They easily handle office applications, web browsing with many tabs, video conferencing tools, and mid-range coding tasks. ProBooks generally offer better options for swapping or upgrading the individual parts as compared to the HP EliteBooks. These laptops are designed for business professionals, remote workers, and students. It is among the HP's premium enterprise grade laptop series. They prioritize ultra slim designs, meaning that many components are soldered onto the board. Compared to the HP ProBooks, they offer better solid performance at a higher budget. EliteBooks usually pack top-tier processors like the Intel Core Ultra, vPro, and AMD Ryzen Pro processors. They are designed for executives, professionals, and power users who want a reliable, portable machine. The HP EliteBook Dragonfly is a premium ultra lightweight business ultrabook known for its sleek design and portability as a result of its weight. They run exclusively on Intel Core i5 and i7 processors, ranging from the older ultra low power chips to the modern hybrid architectures like the Evo or the vPro processors. It features a durable magnesium chassis and enterprise-grade security and a strong all-day performance tailored for frequent travelers, executives, and hybrid professionals. The HP Fortis is a series of laptops that do feature an 11.6-inch notebooks and convertibles built for education and fieldwork. They are equipped with i3 and i5 processors. The name Fortis actually reflects the laptop's rugged engineering designed to survive demanding conditions like drop protection with their reinforced hardware. The HP Thin clients are the enterprise-grade cloud-optimized laptops. Instead of relying on heavy local storage or processors, they are designed to connect to virtual workspaces, remote desktops, and cloud environments like the Microsoft Azure and Citrix and VMware. They do feature excellent security like the TPM 2.0 secure boot, durable aluminum chassis, and all-day battery life, making them ideal for remote workers and corporate environments. In this gaming category, you will meet the HP Victus. This is a line of budget to mid-range laptops meant for gaming and heavy-duty graphical intensive tasks. They are equipped with high refresh rate 15.6 displays and robust cooling systems, and are typically powered by the i5, i7H, or AMD Ryzen processors. They do feature dedicated graphics cards like the NVIDIA RTX 4060, 3050, and such kinds of entry-level NVIDIA graphics cards. These laptops are for engineering and architecture students, creators, video editors, and budget-conscious gamers. This is a line of budget to mid-range. HP Omen is another one. It's a premium line of gaming laptops equipped with high-end processors like the Intel Core Ultra or the HX series, paired with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards. The HP Omen is a professional-grade creator and high-end gaming machine. It is built specifically for users who need maximum unthrottled performance for heavy tasks, combined with the durable build materials and advanced cooling. It is meant for video editors, 3D modelers, visual designers, and heavy gamers. In this last category, we will look at the discontinued models such as the HP Envy. The HP Envy was a series of laptops which were a premium, thin and light laptops and two-in-ones with powerful processors and touch displays, which were ideal for creators, students, and professionals. It has been largely replaced by the OmniBook X, which we have looked at the start of this video. HP Spectre is another series of laptops that was discontinued by HP and was replaced by the HP OmniBook Ultra, the base models and the flip models. It was a premium ultra portable line of laptops, two-in-ones, known for their sleek gem-cut aluminum design, long battery life, and vibrant touchscreens. It featured a design that was two-in-one convertible hinges that lets you easily switch between a laptop and a tablet, a tent, and stand modes. The Voodoo Envy, which was discontinued of course, but this laptop series was introduced by HP after acquiring the Voodoo PC in 2008. It was an ultra-thin laptop known for its carbon fiber chassis, 13.3-inch screen, and a premium price tag. It served as the predecessor to the modern HP Envy laptop, which has then been replaced by the HP OmniBook X. This is a line of budget to mid-range. Niliachia wapi? Victus.